Good day everyone! Dito tayo ngayon sa Alfonso to showcase a 59,000 plus or almost 60,000 square meters or 6 hectares almost. This is a Torrens title. The seller is alive. And right now, mag-i-explore tayo nitong napakalaking property na may napakagandang potential. Hindi lang siya sa benefits, no? Para sa family, or the rules of succession, but it has the benefits para sa ating self. Mentally, spiritually, physically, magiging fit kayo dito because ang ganda ng hatid ng ambience plus yung surroundings ng property. Napakalapad ng property because of the space, guys. And right now, meron siyang tatlong villas. So you have a villa 1 with 2 rooms and then the main house and then additional villa which is right there. From the main entrance or from the main road, no, papasok tayo dito sa 59,000 plus or almost 60,000 square meters property at ganito. Okay? Wow, imagine, this is the Torrens title selling in the market for 180 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested to buy this one, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Alright, no, shout out po sa ating mga buyers out there all over the globe, no, na laging nanonood at laging nagsusupport at laging nai-inspire sa ating listing na ating laging ina-upload sa YouTube. Imagine yourself or imagining yourself na meron kayong ganito kalapad na property, di ba? Ang saya. Napakaganda, di ba, Benji?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so let's go. So, right there. So, as per the seller, wow, very intimate yung feelings dito because pwede mong yakapin ang mga puno. Nakakatanggal ng stress. Lalo na pag niyakap mo yung puno, lalo na itong puno ng niyog. Napakatayog, napakatangkad. Of course, tingnan mo naman yung bunga. Okay? Very fresh, very organic. Ito yung tinatawag nila from farm to market. Okay? From farm to market. But right now, since this is a private property, from farm to the kitchen. Diba? Okay, from the garden to the kitchen. So right there, you have the access papunta doon sa maraming nyog. Imagine almost 2,000 number nitong napakadaming mga puno na ito. Now, aside from that, ang dami din itong malalaking mga puno and then fruit-bearing trees. Okay? Then itong 5,000 square meters ay naka-fence and then the other 5.5 hectares ay naka-open siya. Pero right now, meron tong dalawang caretaker. Alright. Diba? Ang laki. Ang laki at ang lapad. What can you say, Benji?
Grabe to. Panalo.
No? Tama-tama ang area for our retreat. And then, lalo na mayroon kayong like gathering sa simbahan, di ba?
Yes.
And then our company outing. So, it's a multifunctional. Mag-isip kayo, pwede nyong gawin dito sa property na ito. And mind niyo, the property is just like 3 minutes away to Twin Lakes. Di ba?
Wow, ang lapit.
Para kung gusto kong i-explore yung area right there, oh. Pero right now, meron kasi siyang gate and then a fence papunta doon sa mas malapad na area. So as you can see via drone, napapalibutan tayo ng napakadaming mga farmhouses. So for me, pwede rin ito ang pasukin as land banking and sa lahat ng mga developers na gustong venture dito sa Alfonso, Cavite or group of friends or corporation na gusto pong mag-invest ng real estate development project. So might as well try to consider 60,000 square meters property dito sa Alfonso, Cavite. Di ba?
Yeah.
What can you say about the space?
Grabe mo.
Ha? Comment down below, guys. Alright, dito talaga namang panalo. Very tahimik. Alright? Perfect place to live, relax, and play. And at the same time, malapit lang ito sa Metro Manila. Di ba?
Yeah.
And right now, titingnan natin yung villa number 1, the main house, and then the other villas na at least you have that idea once you are in possession of the property. Okay, so let's go, Benji. Alright, during night time, may mga ilaw dito at maganda siyang gawing, napakadaming pwedeng gawin, no? Mag-invite ng family from the city, dadalhin dito sa touristic area ng Tagaytay. At tamang-tama, itong area na ito, no, na mag-i-enjoy kayo lagi dito. Sobrang mag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Marami kayong mga memories na mabubuo. Marami kayong mga dreams na maisa sa katuparan at maraming magmamaterialize lahat ng inyong mga plano. Because maganda yung surroundings, no? Maganda dito mag-isip, strategize, and etc. Pwede dito mag-tumbling, mag-basketball, mag-volleyball, mag-golf. What else?
Depende kung ano yung ano niya.
Ha? Okay, depende kung ano. Yeah, mag-soccer.
Palandang helicopter.
Okay, a landing helicopter, I think is possible kasi nga madaming mga puno. Baka po magkaroon tayo ng
Emergency landing.
aberya, no? Kasi baka matamaan yung ibang mga puno. Pero guys, since this is a 60,000 square meters, alright. So right now, meron ka ditong 2 rooms sa first villa. So you have steps here. Alright. So upon entering, so you have the balcony, no? With the view ng main house. Of course, the greens, you have the grotto area. Pati yung liwanag, no? Nakikita mo yung liwanag, pati ng liwanag ng clouds. Wow, look at the shading, no? Ang ganda, di ba, Benji? Now, tingnan natin the first room. Follow me.
Yung ko na lang ulo.
Wow. So you have 3 beds. Okay. They have a vanity counter right here. You have a shower space here with the water heater. Always laging may water heater kasi nga malamig dito sa area. Alright, naka-on na siya ngayon, guys. Yan yung tubig. Alam mo dito sa Alfonso, masarap ang tubig dito because wala mga industrial dito sa area. So, yung groundwater, napakaganda ng kaya matamis-tamis ang tubig dito, yung groundwater. Sobrang matamis. Then, this is the second bedroom. So, you have 3 beds. And then, you have shelvings right here. And then, a shower space here. Okay? Then, the tubig. I think nakapatay. Now, tingnan natin the main house. What do you think, Benji?
Yeah.
Now, okay, tingnan natin the main house. So, you have a pathways right here. Okay, may Divine Mercy. Okay, rosary. Okay, now, I think we have to check out the kitchen. What do you think?
Yeah.
Right there. Right, tingnan natin. Oh, thank you, Lord. Wow. Okay, so you have a kitchen. Then you have a garden. This is the back view of the property. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-auxiliary kitchen, no? Bear with me. Dumaan tayo sa isang space ng property. The kitchen area. Okay, so right here, you have a bathroom. And then additional, you have a wash area. Look at the wash area. Wow, lakas ng tubig. Okay. Then additional, tamang-tama siya as vacation house. You know, ang pinakamaganda dito, yung laki at ang lawak ng property. Kasi this is a portion lang, no? Imagine nyo, kita natin is portion lang. Now, right here, I have a shower room. Okay, this is the shower room where pwede pa kayo mag-develop pa. Okay. But, you know, the kitchen. Oh, you have a very clean kitchen. Okay, so you have a U-shaped counter with a wash area. You have refrigerator. Okay. And then this is the space. And look at the dining table over here. Very simple, but you know, guys, very intimate and very meaningful, no? Yung area na yun. Now you have access here. Then step up all the way to the living and the bedrooms dito po sa pinaka-master room or the main house area. Okay, so let's go, Benji. Your auxiliary door. And then right here, your shower room with the water heater, with water closet, a wash area, malakas ang tubig. Okay. And you know, guys, matamis ang kanilang groundwater. And then over here, you have a storage again. and additional shower room. So you have like a lot of shower room, you have a lot of space. Now, right here, you have the beds. This is the bed area. All right, so you have 3 beds. Then a big sliding window with a view of the farm. So you have a cabinet over here. This is the cabinet, and then a nice floor finish. And the living area. Okay? Wow, alam mo namang pinagpala. Palaging pinagpapala. Imagine. Okay? Yung display here, you have meron siyang Bible, history ng Christianity. Wow, history ng pagiging Kristiyano, yung kung paano magiging Kristiyano, mamuhay magiging Kristiyano. Imagine, meron siyang altar area. And the signature is, Jesus, I trust in you. Wow! Perfect. Sana lahat, no?
Yeah.
Sana lahat ng tao ay magsabi, Jesus, I trust in you.
Kung may ganun, wala na magnanakaw.
Yes!
Ang bayan.
Correct. Pag ganoon, lahat tayo ay magiging submissive kay Lord. And of course, alam mo naman, may premyo lagi si Lord. Mayroong prize lagi si Lord, lalo sa mga masunurin at obedient. Yes, laging may prize dito sa earth. And then, sa kabilang buhay, may premyo pa rin. Daming prize. So, meron kang altar area. And then, additional room right here. Check this out. Imagine, no? This is the main house. So you have 2 bathroom, a storage area. You have 2 rooms over here. Okay, you have 6 beds, additional living area. Of course, chairs, tables, etc. You have air conditioning unit. Of course, full of glass, sliding glass doors. And then, imagine, ganito siya. Right, so you have a cabinet, floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Of course, nice ceiling design. Very spacious, very wide. I love the space. The volume of the area, talaga namang sobrang-sobra, di ba, Benji?
Yeah.
Yes. And then over here, you have a 6-seaters dining table. Wow. Very important, the calendar, monitoring. Well, pwede mong gawin yan dito sa area na to. But aside from this area, so you have big space over there. Kasi, imagine, the highlight of the property is 60,000 square meters in total land size. And right now, portion lang itong napapakita natin. And of course, ay wag natin i-miss yung pinaka main entrance, which is over here. Okay, from the parking, so you have a basketball court, and then you have a concrete parking over here, and then a right-of-way access all the way to the main entrance. Okay? What do you think, Benji?
Nice. Very wonderful.
Alright, wonderful property, no?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so we will stay here to give you the recap of this property for sale. Let's go, Benji.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
Before we end our farmhouse tour dito sa Sinaliu in Alfonso, Cavite, thank you so much to the seller for giving us the right to sell for this almost 60,000 square meters property na selling in the market for 180 million pesos. Alright, imagine, konti na lang ngayon ang mayroong land na ganito kalaki, lalo na yung titled property because of the limitado ang lot because of the area and then because of the access from the city, kaya mas magandang mag-invest into a land banking. At kung meron kayong mga friends or group of friends na gusto mag-venture into real estate development, well, pwede nyo pong i-try itong napakalaking property na ito. Pwede nyo siya i-subdivide into farmhouses and then i-sell into the open market. Plus, pwedeng i-develop into a resort or a farm resort. It depends, no, sa inyo pong pangangailangan. So by the way, kung meron kayong mga kaibigan kakilala na gusto mag-invest into a real estate here in the Philippines as capital asset or ordinary asset, well, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. The same way, if you're interested to check out this one, message us now. Message us now. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much guys. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. By the way, no, sa lahat ng gumagawa ng mabuti, palaging may premyo si Lord. Hindi lang dito sa daigdig, kundi sa kabilang buhay. Kaya gumawa na tayo ng mabuti, tayong lahat, para ma-enjoy natin yung blessing ng Panginoon. Diba, Benji?
Amen.
Alright. So, God bless everyone.
Counting down.